All right, so now we're going to be asked to multiply negative x times the quantity 4x squared minus 6x plus 1. So on this one, you could just distribute this through, but I'm going to show you that you could use, I really want to show you that you could use this grid method on any polynomial, right? So I'm going to write out the second polynomial on top. I don't know why. You don't have to do it that way. It's just kind of the way Mr. Adams does it. And then the first polynomial, even though it's a monomial, it's still considered a polynomial. Well, I guess it isn't technically, but it's okay. Or is it? I don't know how you would say that, because poly means many, but it represents the family of nomials. I don't know. Anyways, what's negative 1 times 4x squared? Negative 1x. In other words, think like this. 4x squared times negative 1x. Well, that's going to be negative 4. How many x's do I have? X cubed, right? So this is negative 4x cubed. Whew. Next one, negative 6x times negative 1x. Negative 6 times negative 1 is a positive 6. X times x is x squared. And that's a positive x squared. Negative 1x times 1. So if I say 1 times negative 1x, I just get negative 1x, which I could just say negative x. So then my final answer is minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus x.